What about China? Are your clients already coming to you for advice on how to either withdraw from China because they fear that the trade tensions that have bubbled up in the past 18 months are going to get worse? Are they asking you for help restructuring their supply chains and repositioning manufacturing capability in other countries?
So we have offices in China. We support our global clients in China. Clearly the trade issue is a big one. I personally think that it will settle into a sensible outcome. I think the bigger issue is the theft of intellectual property by China and how companies operate in China with an eye on that. But I'm bullish about the outcome on trade.
What are your clients asking you to do vis-a-vis China?
Well, to think, for instance, if data is kept in China, how do they protect that data so that it's not disrupted by...
Can it be?
Absolutely it can be, and I think if you looked at the trade war that's going on, a lot of it is really about the theft of intellectual property.
Brexit? How big a business has that been for you?
What a shambles.
Well, a shambles, yes, that's clear. I mean, it doesn't matter which side of the argument you're on.
I was solidly a Remainer. You know, the democratic process ran a referendum. The electorate decided to leave. We have to respect the democratic process. I think all sides now have to work on a deal that's deliverable, and I think the European Union has to help Theresa May find a deal she can get through Parliament.
How much business is it creating for you?
Well, I think uncertainty always means that firms have to do contingency planning. So our corporate clients are thinking, you know, where should they have their manufacturing facilities? How do they deal with an environment where there isn't free transport of goods or free movement of labor?
And overwhelmingly, what are they doing, and what are you advising them to do?
Well, what we're advising them to do is to make sure they're not a hostage of any particular outcome. So if there is going to be a hard Brexit, which I think is unlikely but is a possibility, that people do have enough facility outside the UK to make sure their business can continue.